Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change quick fit band. Okay, so as you can already see, I have this here on my watch. So how you change it? Here you just have this button to quick release it, but my watch didn't have that in the beginning. So what I needed to do is just unscrew here. As you can see, this screw, which you see right here now, right over here, and I put the old band down and put this new right over here, and that's basically it. And then I put this quick fit band into it, and that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.